Hello viewers, today we will discuss about addition in Excel. If I say which formula is the ABC or very basic and fundamental function of Excel, it would be start with addition, subtracting, multiplication and dividing. So today I will speak about addition in Excel. So to find addition of some values, I have put few values here and we will find the addition of these values in different ways today. So if I speak about the first way of find the addition value of these rows is simply selecting all the cells together. If you select all the cells together, there will be a result shown in the right uh, down corner. It is 1991. Few other results will be shown. It's like count. Here you can see that 8 cells are here, and the average amount is 248.875. So this result you can find here. This is way 1. Now I will tell you about way 2. So to find the addition result of these selected numbers, you will have to initially select a cell where you want the result. Let's say I am selecting this cell to find the addition result of these rows. So before finding the result of these numbers here, uh, I will put a equal to sign here. This is the very basic of starting any formula in any row in Excel. So without this equal to sign, no formula will work in the cell. So to find the addition of these numbers, first you will have to put a equal to. After that, let's select the first number, then put a plus sign, then second number, then put a plus sign, the third number, and gradually select all the cells. And after selecting all the cells manually, now you put enter. So the result came 1991, which is same as we found here. So this is option 2 of finding addition in Excel. There is another way of finding the sum of uh, these numbers. Again, we will start with putting equal to, because without putting equal to, no formula will work in Excel. Then you will have to write sum. So there is some suggestions here. Out of the suggestions, you will double click on sum. After double clicking, you will have to select the range of cells you want the result here, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you will find 191, which is same as this and that. So this is the third way of finding addition in Excel. There is another way to find addition in Excel, which is auto sum. To find that, you will have to select all the cells and one additional cell to get the result here. And this is the most easiest way. By selecting this way and one additional cell, just click on auto sum. So the result is 191. If I highlight the ways, the results, this is 191, this is 191, and this is 191. So hope you have understood the ways of addition in Excel. If you like this video, please do subscribe and tap the bell button so that you can get the updated notification of my next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.